This is going to be a video tutorial on how to allow or block website images in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To enable or disable website images, by default the website images are probably enabled on your browser. Why would somebody want to disable them? Maybe they would have a data cap. It would speed up their load time. To enable it or disable it, you want to go open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little Vivaldi logo. I'm going to click on that drop down. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut for Settings is Control plus F12. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Website Permissions, and in the Website Permissions area, right down here, Images. By default, it's probably set to Allow. You could click that drop down. You can block website images or you can allow them. You could choose either one of those two. That is how to enable or disable website images on the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.